Former MMA fighter Conor McGregor has less than a month to respond to a civil lawsuit claiming he allegedly sexually assaulted a woman in the United States. Legal representatives for Mr. McGregor have until October 14th to answer claims by a woman named as Jane Doe in legal papers that he attempted to orally and anally sexually assault her in a bathroom in the Casillas Center in Miami, Florida in June 2023. The woman claims that McGregor engaged in an unlawful sexual contact in a men's bathroom at an NBA finals game for his own sexual gratification and to degrade her. An incident report was filed with the City of Miami's police department on June 11, 2023, less than 48 hours after the alleged sexual assault happened. The Florida State Attorney's Office declined to go forward with the charges in the alleged assault in October 2023. Mr. McGregor's lawyer, Barbara Lanes, has previously dismissed the case. These claims, she said, which the plaintiff has cycled through numerous lawyers, remain as baseless as ever.